Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box and the Boxycharm premium box for the month of April. So if you're interested in seeing what came in both of these boxes this month, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start with the Boxycharm base box. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-size items each month for $25, and the value of the box is over $100 per month. Now, I will tell you that I did pop both of these open and take a peek inside. I haven't pulled everything out, but what I saw from just peeking in, I wasn't totally excited. But let's go ahead and see what's inside of this month's Boxycharm base box. Okay, for some reason when I got this box this month, it looked like it had been through the ringer. It's a little chewed up looking on the side over there. And it could be because we had some torrential rains and it probably got wet on the way to me. That's what I'm assuming. But anyway, that's what the box looks like when it's shipped to you. It says Boxycharm on the front. Let's go ahead and open her up. Okay. And when we receive their products, they are packaged inside of the box like so. And the first thing I'm seeing is a card, but this isn't the card with the information. This is a card from Makeup Eraser. Okay, telling you a little bit about Makeup Eraser, and then on the other side offering 20% off. So that's what that looks like. Okay. And that's the other side in case you want to see it and see the code. The code is what, Boxy20 there. Okay. Now, normally there is another card in the box with the details of the box on it, but I'm not seeing that, so we're just gonna go ahead and take this stuff out without the card, and I guess I'll see if I can find some prices and give you a total at the end if I can find them. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is from the Professional, and it's a primer, and this is the primer the pore primer. It says pores instantly appear smaller. Okay, and that's what that looks like. I think I've gotten some stuff from this brand before, but I don't know if I've tried this particular primer. Okay, and that's the size of the primer. Now, this is the primer that's supposed to make your pores look smaller, so I'm excited about that because I do have like my pores that show in this area if you get really close up. So this would be really helpful for my combination oily skin. All right, so that's not too bad. I'm glad to get that. The next thing I'm seeing is some lashes. It looks like from Baddington Lashes. That's exactly what it is. Oh, those are pretty. And that's what those look like. And it has a little bit of glue in there for the lashes, which is nice. And these are in the style Harlow. The next item in the box is a set of brushes from Lavish. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 brushes in there. And they're all like colorful brushes. Let me go ahead and take them out. Here's what the brushes look like outside of the package. They're nice and colorful. You have your green, your orange, purple, blue, and like a neon yellow there. And this looks like an eyeliner brush. This looks like a, you can use that to put shadow on your lid or to do some blending. This is definitely a blender brush. You can use that for inner corner, under eye, and then you have your brow and spoolie. These feel pretty good. They're actually kind of cute. I usually don't mind getting brushes because I guess you never really can have too many brushes. Well, you can because I have a ton, but I'm not mad at getting brushes. The next thing in this box is from Iconic London, and it's the Illuminator. And on the back it just says original. So I guess that's what it is. Okay, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, it does have the little dropper there. I don't know how much you guys can see, but it has a little dropper. Let's drop a little bit of that on my hand right here and see what it looks like. Oh God, that's really gold. It's a pretty golden color. Okay. Ooh, I guess I put quite a bit on there. I thought it was a little, but it really is a lot. Look at that sheen on that. Woo, you would definitely have to go in with that very light-handed. And you can use this as a highlighter. You can mix it in with your foundation. I mean, you can find several uses for this. It's a really pretty color though, this one, I must say. Like I said, that's a bit much. I put a tiny drop and that's how it looks. So you would have to go in really light-handed with that. So we have one more item left in this base box, and this is the item that I actually chose. It's from Zoeva, and it's their eyeshadow palette, and this one looks like it's in the color taupe. Now they said they had like, I believe it was like 8 different palettes that you could have received, so you really couldn't choose the one you wanted, but I did select eyeshadow palettes, so I got the one in taupe, and that's what that looks like on the outside. Let me go ahead and take that out of the paper, probably see it a little bit better. Okay, so that's a closer look at that. Again, that's out of the sleeve. It looks about the same as it did in the sleeve. And then when we open it up, let me go ahead and take that off. That is what those look like. Do you see those? All right. I mean, they're okay. This is, to me, a very, very neutral, very, very, very neutral palette. You have a little bit of pop of color there with the purple, but overall, it's would give me like a fairly neutral eye look. But I guess I'm really not mad at it. It wouldn't have been my first choice by far, but I wanted to try something from the brand, so I'm at least excited that I got the palette and I can give it a try and see how the formula works. And if I like the formula, I can always purchase something additional on my own. I did see some of the other palettes and some of them had brighter pops of color, which I thought was really nice, but this is okay. Like I said, it's really, really kind of more neutral to me, and it's nothing in here that really excites me and makes me all happy and stuff, but it's definitely doable. I'll use it. So let me just swatch a couple of the shades for you. I'm gonna swatch that one there, which is Exquisite, and then I'll swatch Old Master, which is that silvery color there. I don't know how they're showing up on screen for you. And then let's do Handmade here, which is another shimmer, and then the one next to it, which is Gallery. Okay, so here are those 4 colors swatched. This is Handmade, this is Gallery, this is Old Master, and this is Exquisite. Now I have to tell you, they are very, very creamy, and they swatched and went on much better than I was expecting by just looking at the palette. It's actually made me more excited to play with this because the formula feels really good, and that I'm excited for. And these swatches actually look better on my hand than they look in the palette, so I'm hoping that they look just as good on my eyes. So yeah, I am excited to play with that. I'm glad that I got a palette from Zoeva. So anyway, that was the last item in this base box, guys. So I'm just going to jump off real quick and see if I can find some kind of prices and give you an estimate on what this box was worth. Okay, just to do a quick recap before I give you the final box price, we got these Baddington lashes in Harlow, and these retail for $28. I'll give you a quick peek at those again. We got this brush set from Lavish, which is $29.99. We got this Zoeva palette, which is valued at $28. We got this Illuminator from Iconic London, which is $40. And then we got this primer from The Professional, which is $32. So the total value for this month's box, guys, is $157.99, which is really good for the $25 that we paid for it. Now, at first glance, when I just peeked into the box, it didn't look that exciting to me, but now that I've taken everything out of this box, I definitely will use the products that have come inside. This palette, after I swatched it, especially feels really creamy, and I know I'm going to play around with that. This primer for the pores, I'll definitely give that a shot. This illuminator I will definitely use as well. I'll probably use it as a highlighter on my face and maybe even try mixing it in with some foundation to get a little extra glow. And the lashes are a really beautiful style and right up my alley, so I'll use these as well. So everything in the box this month will definitely get some use, guys, and I think for the $25, it was definitely worth it. Not as bad as I thought it would be on first glance. It's actually a pretty decent box. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into the Boxycharm Premium box for this month. Now, for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm Premium is a larger Boxycharm box which contains between 5 and 7 items each month and has a value of $175. The cost of the box is $35 per month. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what came inside of the box. Now, when you see the Boxycharm Premium, it looks like the Boxycharm box, except bigger. There you go. And I'm seeing a card. Is this the card with the details? No, this is another makeup eraser card. Okay. Ah, this one does have a card though. Okay, so this one has a card, and on the front it says Boxycharm. And it says Festival Vibes on the front as well. So I guess this month's theme is Festival Vibes. Okay, when we open it up, it has a listing of all the products inside and a little sneak peek at, I guess, what's going to be in Boxy Luxe in June. And let me see my variation. And this box is variation number 50, guys. Wow. Okay. So let's go ahead and dive in. And the first item I'm pulling out of the box is from Rodeo. And this is an age away replenishing cream. Firm, hydrate, and repair. Now this is funny because I just got another item from this brand, which is the exfoliator in one of my Ipsy boxes this month. But anyway, this it says for dry, mature skin. So this is definitely something that probably wouldn't be beneficial to me because my skin is nowhere near dry. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. It is 1.69 fluid ounces. I'm not going to open this at all, guys, because like I said, it's for dry skin. So I'll definitely be passing this on to someone who can use it. It will do me no justice whatsoever. But let's see what the price of this cream is. Oh gosh. This cream is $69. There is no way I would pay $69 for this little bit of cream. But I guess maybe it works really, really well. Like I said, I'll pass this on and maybe whoever I pass it on to would love it. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is from IGK, Good Behavior, Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, Keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control, 450-degree heat protection. Oh, all right. I guess it's obviously a hairspray that protects against frizz and heat, which is nice. I can definitely use this. I use heat protectants on my hair, so this may come in handy, and it's from IGK. I know that's a pretty good brand. And what does it say? It says this is valued at $32. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Mile High Club Volume and Lengthening Mascara. I already have this or a couple of these. I know I've received them in other subscription boxes, so it is a mascara, and this is valued at $26. Next up, we have the Nude Sticks Magenta Lip Plush Paints. So it's a lip paint, and this is valued at $28. Let me go ahead and take that out and see what it looks like. This is in the color Waikiki Rose. And that's what the doe foot applicator looks like there. And let me go ahead and swatch that on my hand for you. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's a pretty color. Definitely something that I would use. And if I didn't tell you, this is valued at $28. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is actually the item that I chose for this month, and it's from Peach and Lily, and it's the Good Acids Pore Toner. They had a couple of other choices, but the toner seemed to be in line with more of something that I would use, so I went ahead and chose this. And it says, this pH balancing toner helps gently slough off dead skin cells and prep skin for the rest of your routine. AHAs help loosen dead skin cells so they can fall away, which helps maintain clean pores. Cape lilac, eggplant, and turmeric extracts soothe and nourish. Great. Okay, all of those ingredients sound pretty good. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay. That's really pretty. The bottle is, it's a glass bottle. All right, so I am excited for this. Like I said, I chose this, and I'm excited to get another toner. And this sounds like it has some good ingredients in it that'll be good for the skin. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Now the value of this toner is $39. Okay guys, we're down to the last item in this month's premium box, and that is from Pharmacy. There you have it. It is their Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Now here's what that looks like outside of the package. It's very cute. It looks like a little pot of honey or something. And it has a little, I guess a little scooper where you can take some of the product out. And it actually is magnetic. Look at that. It sticks to the top of the cap. That's super cute, super cute. Now it does say that this is a hydrating mask. So I'm wondering if this is for all skin types or specifically for dry skin. I'll have to look that up. If it's for all skin types, I would definitely love to give this a try because I know that Pharmacy makes some really good products. So I'm excited about this. The value of this is $38. Now I will tell you, while I'm excited to get this, I was really hoping to get the Manny MUA palette. But, you know, this box is definitely skincare heavy this month. There wasn't a whole lot of makeup in it, which I'm a little bummed about. but you know, the value of the box is there, and I'll get some use out of most of the products in the box. Like I said, the Levito, I'll pass that on. The Pharmacy, I have to do a little bit more research on to see if it can be used on all skin types. The Wander Beauty mascara, I'll probably pass that on as well. Like I said, I have a couple of other of these, and they're okay. They're not my favorites, but they're all right. Probably pass that on. The nude sticks, I love lippies, so I'll definitely use that. And this IGK hair product, I will give this a shot and see how it works. So like I said, overall, I know the value of the box is there. I am a little disappointed that there weren't more makeup products in here. I would have really liked to have gotten a palette, like I said. But you know, that's why we get subscription boxes. There's no guarantee of what's going to be in them, and each month it's different. Now, some months I get fabulous boxes from Boxycharm. As a matter of fact, most months I get fabulous boxes from the boxes that I'm really happy with. So every once in a while, if I get a box that may not be up my alley, you know, what can you say? I paid $35 for the box. The amount of products in here is valued at way more than $35. So overall, I definitely can't complain. But anyway, let me give you guys a quick total. The total value of this month's Boxycharm Premium Box for the Variation 50 that I received is $232. And again, guys, this box was $35, so the value is definitely there. And while I may not use every product, there are some products in here that I would use, and they cost more than the $35. So like I said, even though my heart was a little broken, I can't really complain overall. It's the luck of the draw when you sign up for subscription boxes. But anyway, guys, that is everything that I have for today. I hope you enjoyed these unboxings. As always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.